Hi, I'm Steve Mackay, Dean of Engineering at IDC Technologies and the Engineering Institute of Technology. Just want to give you a quick précis of who we are and what we come from. So this is the first video, and there'll be a second one giving some ideas about expanding the degree program a bit further with the ISA. So essentially, IDC Technologies was formed about 20 years ago, and according to our little précis here, we've done courses for most companies, blue chip companies around the world, ranging from Chevron, BHP, BP. BP is probably not a good example in the US context at the moment, but countries from Azerbaijan to Caracas to John O'Groats in northern Scotland to most states in the US. The courses range from instrumentation all the way through to mechanical engineering, finance, electronic engineering, civil engineering. So we have a vast range, and there's about 300 different courses we've put together over the years. We focus on practical, useful workshops rather than going into fast-food transforms or anything too arcane. So it's really trying to apply the material as quickly as possible. And then about 4 years ago, we moved into online education, initially very unsuccessfully, I might add, but we started with a range of courses, and the organizational college we formed was the Engineering Institute of Technology. And I'll give more details about that in the next video, but essentially this gives us the opportunity to give online education, and we've probably got about 1,400 students currently on the 18-month and year programs. And the courses range from certificates, which are short 3-month courses, all the way through to master degrees, which are take basically 2 to 3 years to complete. So that gives you a bit of a background. The Engineering Institute of Technology has, again, the same range of disciplines as the IDC Technologies. In fact, we've used the course materials from IDC Technologies in many cases to build up this vast repertoire. So there's about 20 different qualifications we set up with Engineering Institute of Technology. And the great thing about online learning is that we've got instructors in Boston, New York, London, Sydney, Johannesburg, South Africa, all over the world, and our students are everywhere from Africa to Asia. And the idea is that we have very strong practical focused courses in simulation software, remote labs, and obviously that's what we really want to build on with the ISA. Thanks very much. Okay, this is a quick review of the structure of IDC Technologies and EIT for your benefit. We do conferences, typically 15 to 20 a year, ranging from electrical engineering, mechanical, all the way through to instrumentation. Courses, which are probably the bread and butter of IDC Technologies, which are public, ranging from New York to London to Perth, to some rather odd locations around the world, such as Azerbaijan, Mexico, etc. 2-day courses, and we've probably trained about 500,000 people over the last 20 years. Then on-site courses, again, ranging from very remote locations like China to Central Africa to obviously Canada and the States. Books, we've got about 250 titles, and we sell those throughout the world as well, but hopefully most of them are online now. Okay, EIT is the next little structure I just want to look at, ranging from certificate courses, which are 3 months, advanced diplomas, which are 18 months, Bachelor of Engineering degrees, which are 4 years. We do the first 2 years online, and then we pass it through to a university for the last 2 years. Obviously, what we're looking to do is provide the whole course for 4 years online, either in conjunction with the university or in our own right. Finally, graduate certificates, which are 6 months, which is a post-bachelor degree, and also graduate diplomas, which I haven't put down there, which are 12 months. And then finally, master degrees, master degree in industrial automation, which is 24 months. This would form the last year of a graduate certificate. So you'd have a graduate certificate feeding into a graduate diploma, which then feeds into a master degree. Overall, 2 years in total. So that's the structure. And as you know from the MOOCs, massive open online courses which are rapidly taking over the world, for better or worse, we want to obviously ride that wave with this opportunity here. Thanks. That gives you a good structure there.